So how to transfer money from HSBC to Monzo. So to transfer money from HSBC to Monzo, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up both the HSBC app, which as you can see, we've got it open right here. And you also want to go ahead and open up the Monzo app, which as you can see is Monzo right here. And then once you're on the Monzo app, you simply just want to select on Add Money. Then once you've done that, you'll see this easy bank transfer option right here. So you want to go ahead and select See All Banks. Then once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and select HSBC. Then once you've selected HSBC, you simply just want to go ahead and input the amount that you want to transfer from HSBC to Monzo. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then from there, click Agree and Continue, and then you'll be brought through to this page here, and you simply just want to select Just Transfer. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to your HSBC app, where you'll just need to go ahead and authenticate the payment. So you'll just need to go ahead and enter your HSBC PIN from here. Then once you've authenticated that payment, it will pull you back through to Monzo, where it will just confirm that you have transferred money from HSBC to Monzo. So if you go ahead and press Done, and then visit your transactions, you should see the amount that was transferred from your HSBC account over to Monzo right here, and it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.